I just got back from town, picked up my money, went to Hunsford, to Morrison's, did a bit of shopping for the road, because I'll be going out again very soon to Manchester. Flash, finally got it. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but I'm behind anyway. And Scooby-Doo and Crypto 2. Original movie. Max Pepperoni Feast. Max Texas Mexican Barbecue. Coronation chicken on white bread. Two bottles of Oasis summer fruit. Two packs of meaty crisps. A Monster energy drink. And a pack of crisps. I don't think the pack of crisps are going to make it. I think I'll leave those and take these. On that side. The rest I'll have now. Subscribe.